Ciao a tutti and welcome to a new episode of the series called Make It Sweet, a series dedicated to sweet recipes. Stay with me because today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious New Orleans style beignets you have ever had. New Orleans style beignets are a classic pastry made from deep fried yeast leavened dough. They are light and fluffy with a slightly crunchy exterior. Whether you're going to fill them with Nutella or just dust it with icing sugar, you are going to love them. In a small size bowl, add warm water at about 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, only 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. Whisk well until combined and set aside for about 10 minutes, or until it becomes foamy. The foam will be an indication that your yeast is active and alive. In a separate bowl, whisk together milk, vanilla, eggs, and add the remaining sugar. Lightly melt the butter to a soft consistency and set aside. Combine the yeast mixture to the eggs mixture. In the bowl of a stand mixer, feed it with the hook attachment. Combine the flour and the salt. Add the butter to the dough before the flour is fully incorporated. Beat until the dough is smooth and cohesive. It will take about 5 minutes. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and wait until double in size. It will take about 1 hour. Lightly flour a parchment paper sheet. And place the dough on it. Here I'm dividing the dough by 2 and only use half. You can freeze the other half up to 3 months. Roll the dough out into a 1/4 inch thick rectangle. Cut the dough into squares or rectangles. In a medium saucepan, heat some vegetable oil to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Test the oil with a little piece of dough, and in batches, fry the dough until golden brown in color. It will take about 1 minute. Transfer the beignet to the prepared baking sheet and repeat with the remaining dough. Let it cool, and using a knife, make a small hole on the side of the beignet. This will help the piping tip to fit inside and filled with Nutella without having forcing it. Place the beignet on a plate or in a bowl and dust generously with icing sugar. And here you have it. Light, fluffy, a little bit crunchy on the outside with the gooey heart of delicious Nutella. Look at that. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Ciao!